Hey yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on my channel, Jatube. Today I'm in Roblox and I'm gonna show you how to make Walter White. So, I haven't actually seen anyone make a tutorial on how to make a Walter White avatar in Roblox. So I'm gonna do it for you guys. So first, the essentials. You need the ginger goatee and the nerd glasses. So, this will cost 80 Robux for both of these. And these are just the essentials. And next are the shirts. So we got the Walter White shirt and the Walter White pants. So I'm gonna link all these in the description below because that's what I do. So all you need to do is just equip this and you get Walter White. Done. Very easy. It only costs like 90 Robux I think. And if you want to be Heisenberg, you can actually use all of these. Just change the clothes to this one and you can buy the black fedora or any other fedora, but I think this one looks the best, so I chose the black fedora, which is 125 Robux. But this one is optional. You can use it without the hat or you can use another hat, but this is what I'm going for now. So just wear the black fedora and the Heisenberg shirt and you got Heisenberg. So thank you guys for watching the video. And if this really helped you, please leave a like and comment down below what other avatar you want me to do on Roblox. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Goodbye.